In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe button on your YouTube videos using the KINEMASTER the right way. But wait, is there a wrong way? Hindi naman sa ganon. Pero kung gusto mong magiging a little bit professional yung YouTube videos mo, then you must watch this video until the end. Hi, Rose here. I am an entrepreneur and a content creator. I help Filipino entrepreneurs to grow their audience, impact, and income with online videos, especially here on YouTube. So, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
The first thing that we're going to do is to import files in our KINEMASTER editor. So, tap Media. And choose a file na gusto mong lagyan ng subscribe button. For example, this one. And then, tap Layer. Choose Media. Hanapin mo yung green screen subscribe button. And then, choose the green screen. So, kapag na-import mo na yung green screen subscribe button mo, this is now how it looks like. So, kapag i-play mo siya, natatabunan mismo yung main video mo. To edit this one, itap mo itong green screen subscribe button. And then, makita mo dito yung settings niya. So, dito natin siya i-set up. Makita mo dito yung chroma key, this one. So, yun po ang itatap mo. Tap that. And then, enable the chroma key. And then, don't forget to tap check. Tapos, i-adjust mo siya kung saan mo siya banda ilagay sa video mo. And also, you can put animation. Is it fade or pop? Slide right. Ikaw na po ang bahala kung ano yung animation ang gusto mo. And then, tap OK. So, tingnan natin. Huwag kalimutan na i-export ang video by tapping here. And then, tap the export button here.
Alright, if you get value from this video, smash that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo pa ng mga KINEMASTER video tutorial from me, you can check on this video. And I will see you there.